Guys, everybody wants to be mature. Nobody wants to call it immature, of course. Okay, everybody wants to be mature. Okay, now the thing is that it is not very easy. Okay, of course, everybody is not mature. Okay, or everybody is not matured enough. So, let's discuss about maturity. And before we discuss about maturity, let's discuss about immaturity. Okay, because you need to be mature in order to be mature. Okay, so what is immaturity? See, a time where you don't know what is right, what is wrong, and especially we can relate it to our childhood. Okay, when we were kids, when we were child, we don't know what is right, what is wrong, what we are doing, what would be the consequences of the things which we are doing. Okay, it is right or not. Okay, we don't know. Okay, it was just that the society has told us what to do, what not to do. But the thing is that we have this curiosity in our innate. Okay, curiosity is very much innate quality. Okay, so we have curiosity and we experimented many things where we got the consequences of being punished and all that stuff. American psychologist Jerome Berner says that the purpose of period of immaturity is like being a time for experimental play. As I told you that when we were kids, we were just experimenting with the things because we don't have that much knowledge. We were just experimenting. We are getting success, sometimes failure, and sometimes punishment, sometimes reward. Okay, things like that. Okay, so at that point of time we were experimenting because we don't know. And when we need to know something, we need to like right now we are matured, we google it, we learn from others and stuff like that. But when we were kids, we used to experiment it. Okay, for example, a small kid, there is like a toddler. Okay, let's say a toddler is there and you give him something. Okay, anything, it can be anything. But what that toddler will do, that toddler will take it, the toddler will try to chew it in order to know what that is. That's the thing. When we were kids, when we were immature, we used to do the same. We used to experiment. We don't know what's the working of that. For example, everybody has a toy car. Okay, and everyone has did some experiments. Especially, I'm talking about the remote control toy cars. Okay, we everyone have experimented. We have opened it and we just took out that motor, feeling like a scientist and things like that, because we were immature. We were experimenting the things. Okay, we don't know what is right, what is not right. We were just experimenting. There are many things which we all have did in our childhood as a part of maturity. We have did many things. Okay, so like that was a time of experimenting the things because we don't have knowledge. We were just experimenting, we were just trying to know. Now, being an adult, it's like that, it's an expectation that we should know. Okay, it is expectation from ourselves also and by the society. Okay, so it is now we should know things. Okay, so now let's come to maturity. So what is maturity? Definition can differ from person to person because everyone has their own definition of maturity, but I'm talking about psychology. Okay, so with respect to psychology, what is maturity? So in psychology, maturity is the ability to respond the environment, being aware of the correct time and location to behave, and knowing when to act according to the circumstances and the culture of the society one's live in. So guys, of course, yeah, the definition is very much easy, I guess, and if not, then I'm here. Okay, now there's a difference between responding and reacting. Most of the time we just react, we don't respond. Responding takes time. Responding takes your cognitive abilities. It just involves your brain. Reaction doesn't. Okay, for example, you touch something hot. Okay, or let's say there was some electric thing and you just touch, you will react, you won't respond. Of course. You will react. So reaction is something which just comes, you don't need to think for it. And when we are not thinking for it, the thing is not in our control basically. Okay, our reaction when we touch something hot, it is not our in our control that how will we react. We will shout, we will jump, whatever we can do. Like it would just happen. We are not in control of that. Okay. For example, if you got electric shock, of course the first thing is you will react like anything. But let's see what will happen if you respond. Okay, there is an electric current. So yeah, basically you will react. Now this reaction thing is so much common, like electric shock, hot things, they are just an example. Okay, but we are reacting to the normal life situations also. We are reacting when somebody says something. Okay, we are reacting every time, and that is something going wrong. Okay, see, mature people don't react, they respond. As the definition shows, maturity is the ability to respond. You need to respond, you need to take your own time, you need to think about the thing, and then you need to give your reaction, give your response. Okay, like, don't react, stop reacting now. Yeah, react with that electric shock and hot things. If you get in contact, don't have care. I will give a response. Like, let me touch that. Let me give a response. No. At that time, reaction is required. But yeah, in normal situations, in normal circumstances, try more to respond. Have a thought, give a thought. Okay, see, there are two type of thought. Like, whenever something happened, first of all, there are automatic thoughts which just comes with a rush, and we just react. Because of them we react. Okay, and what are those automatic thoughts? Basically, they are from our past learnings and stuff like that. Okay, but the thing is that everything is changing, the situation has changed, the time has changed, you have changed, the abilities have changed. Okay, so you don't need to react. Okay, like, you don't need to follow your automatic thoughts, and many a times, and mostly, we just follow our automatic thoughts. Okay, so whenever something comes, okay, don't listen to your automatic thoughts, because they can't be right every time. Why? Because the situation, the conditions, everything won't be the same. If that is same, then awesome, but it won't be the same. Okay, so you need to respond, you need to take your own time in thinking. Think, first of all, it is a very certain thing that you will get some automatic thoughts which would be related to your past things, past experiences, past learnings. You don't need to listen to them exactly. Okay, you need to give time, like, sorry, you don't need to follow them. Basically, you don't need to follow them, you need to give time, you need to think. Okay, give a second and think. So, maturity is the ability to respond to the environment, being aware of the correct time, location to behave. Now, the second thing is behavior. Okay, we all behave, of course. Behavior is something which we always show. So recently I saw a post where, like, it was saying that degree is just a paper. Real education is seen in behavior. So guys, like, first of all, of course, when you will stop reacting, when you will start responding, then you will behave in a very good manner. Okay, so now, very good manner doesn't mean that you always need to be polite and, like, always nicely you need to talk to people, always nicely you need to deal with the situation. No, it is not like that. Okay, and understand, if you are mature enough, you will understand this, that every time that is not required, and every time that is not possible. Okay, in some situations you need to react, or you need to respond in according with the situation, in according with the person who is next to you. Okay, sometimes, like, it's good to show your anger. Okay, anger is not at all a bad emotion, I have discussed it earlier. So mostly we say that we should not be angry, we should not show our aggression, but, like, it is a thing of maturity that sometimes in some situations you need to show your anger. Okay, like, that is very much important there, but not always. If you do always like that reaction part, then it is wrong. Okay, you need to respond, you need to take your own time in thinking what is right, what is wrong, what should I do, what would be the future consequences of the thing, then give a response. Okay, so now, uh, correct time and location to behave, and knowing when to act according to the circumstances. Like, you need to keep all these things in your mind, that you need to act according to the circumstances, what the that circumstances want. You can't show anger if the people next to you are more than you. Okay. Okay, so you need to, now, like, things may go wrong. Okay, so there you need to be cool, calm, no matter how much anger you are having, just manage it. But so the situations are also there, circumstances are also there, so keep them in your mind. And of course, our society, our culture, is they play a very important role. Okay, now maturity is unbounded trait of your personality. And how a person becomes mature, let's discuss this. When a person become mature, or how a person's become mature, first of all, just follow this definition, just write this definition on wherever you want. Okay, write it and always read this. Okay, in order to know what you need to do. Okay, so लाइक इन हिंदी वी से कि गोल के पी जाना, तो इस डेफिनेशन को ना, गोल के पी जाना, just learn this definition by your heart. Okay, so see, maturity is not at all limited with respect to age. Okay, like, age is not a criteria to define maturity. Yeah, age is an important factor. Why it is that, like, I will discuss, but it is not the only factor. Okay, so the thing is that how maturity is, like, how we develop maturity and when we are called mature, let's discuss this. So guys, the thing is that maturity comes when you are exposed to situations where you have some sort of experiences. Okay, see, experiences plays a major role in your maturity. Guys, let's take an example. For example, you have seen a person who is very old, okay, and then also not matured. Okay, and you have seen a person who is very young, very very young, but he's very mature. Why? Let's discuss, let's go more beyond them. Okay, let's discuss their life situations. The person who is old, that person is not having that much experience in order to how to respond to the environment. Okay, not having experience, simple answer. Okay, how to act according to the circumstances, that person doesn't know. That's why that person is immature. And talking about the young person who is very young but he is very mature, why? Because that person would have faced adversity. Okay, would have faced the hard situation, would have faced the difficult situation. That's why that person got experiences, got many life learning lessons. See, experiences play a very important role in maturity. The more you have experience, the more mature you are, because you know how to respond, how to act, how to behave. These things are very important in a person's life. So guys, the thing is that the more adverse situation we face, the more we get experiences. The more we get experiences, the more mature we become. Maturity is not related to education, it is not related to any sort of degrees, it is not related to age exactly. Okay, it is just that how much experiences you have. Okay, and how much you have learned from those experiences. When you are learning from those experiences, when you are improving yourself, then you are becoming a mature person. And now, why age is not the only thing in maturity, let me tell you. And like, age is a important factor. Okay, see, the thing is that you may not be exposed to certain things before your age. You may not be, and like, it's a rule also, kind of like juvenile and all this stuff. So like, you are not exposed to certain experiences, certain situations, certain things, where because of your age. Okay, because of your age you are not exposed to them, and you need to reach a level of age in order to experience those things. For example, if you are in your school life, okay, in your primary education, you can't think of ragging, which is usually done in colleges. So the point is that there is certain age where you will get into the college, okay, and then you will experience ragging. Okay, you can learn from other people's, but the thing is that you will learn the most when you will experience by yourself. Okay, and when you will experience by yourself, when you will be at certain age, when you would go into college, and when you have these experiences, then you will learn from them. Then you will learn how to respond, how to behave, how to act in that situation, that circumstances. Okay, so that's the thing. Age plays an important role in maturity, but age is not the only thing. You can learn, but yeah, the learnings would be most when you will experience them personally. So guys, the biggest takeaway from this video is stop reacting and start responding. Start responding. Have some sort of thoughts behind everything which you do. Whenever you are about to react, stop yourself, think for few moments, and then respond. So guys, learning with a smile and sharing with a smile. See you soon on Friday. See you soon guys. Bye.